Look at this car. How much damage do you see? What if I told you this damage resulted in $20,000 of initial medical bills, compression of the S1 nerve root, and a surgical recommendation? Insurance companies will tell you that this is impossible. In fact, an insurance company is the one who sent me these exact pictures. But they'd be lying. I'm Derrick, and I have seen this exact scenario destroy good people's lives over and over again. So in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you why a $500 fender bender can legally be worth $100,000 or even more, and the one question that makes adjusters panic every single time. But first, let me tell you about Susie. Susie was sitting in stop-and-go traffic when, tap, someone tapped her bumper, maybe 5 miles an hour. Her car, barely a scratch. The adjuster took one look and said, well, there's no damage, so there's no claim. They even sent us pictures to try to convince us. Well, months later, Susie's getting spinal injections because that little tap compressed a nerve in her back, and she was experiencing intense pain in her back and down her leg. Here's what the adjuster didn't tell her, and what they're not going to tell you. Legally, there is absolutely no requirement that your car be totaled or even significantly damaged in order for you to collect money from the insurance company. None. The amount of the property damage shouldn't be part of the equation. Why? Because your body isn't your bumper. Your spine doesn't have crumple zones. Even if you think you're fine right now, don't worry. I'm about to show you why that doesn't matter legally. The beautiful thing about South Carolina is this. If someone hits you, they owe you every single penny for every single consequence, even if your car looks perfect. But Brooks, the insurance company said my car wasn't damaged enough for my injuries. Listen, I've seen $100,000 settlements from accidents where you couldn't even see a dent. Why? Because physics doesn't care about paint scratches. When a 4,000-pound vehicle hits another 4,000-pound vehicle, your body absorbs that energy. Even if you don't feel it today, trust me, your body is keeping score. And here's the question that makes every adjuster sweat. If property damage determines injury value, why don't they pay policy limits every time a car is totaled? Dead silence. Every single time. Because they know the truth. Your health isn't measured in dollars of car damage. It's measured in doctor visits and pain and suffering. Susie learned this the hard way, but we eventually got all the insurance companies involved to pay their full policy limits. Not because her car was totaled, but because her life was changed forever. If you're dealing with this right now, don't let them gaslight you with property damage photos. Your body and your doctors tell the real story. I've helped countless people in South Carolina and beyond get money they actually deserve, not just what some adjuster thinks they should get. If this helps you see through their tactics, hit the subscribe button for more truth that they don't want you to know. If you need someone in your corner who actually fights for you and not them, let's talk, because your health is worth more than their bottom line.